Boom chicka-lacka, boom chicka-lack, we gonna make some vegan food. Boom ba-dum boom ba-dum boom 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 boom. Start with banana, start with ground cinnamon, start with the Smuckers, start with the raisins, start with the quick oats. Oh! Boom, boom, boom. You start with the oatmeal. Yeah. Then you put in the raisins. Put in that cinnamon. And that's enough right there. But if you want to keep going, you want to take it up a notch, put in that, what is that? That good. What is that shit? The PB. The PB. Peanut butter, man. You know what I'm talking about. Now put in the bananas. I also add honey. If you want to put in honey, do that shit. Oh, and now put it together and enjoy. Believe me, man, it tastes just as good as your mom looks, Blair. Oh!